Ready? If any person intends to use a public park, comma, green belt or green area for any purpose other than the normal use of the place, comma, he shall make an application to the authority, full stop, if the intended use if affects the rights of the neighbors or residents of the area in general, comma, the authority shall invite objections from them and decide the objections before taking a decision, full stop. The authority shall not grant permission if the intended use affects the rights of the neighbors or residents of the area to the free and uninterrupted use of the roads abutting the public park, comma, green belt or green area, or results in the conversion of the public park or green belt or green area into any other thing or changes the general outlook of the locality, full stop. The authority shall not grant permission for a period exceeding 15 days if the intended use is likely to bring, comma, directly or indirectly, comma, any financial benefit to the application or any other person, full stop, notwithstanding anything contained in the act, comma, the authority shall not grant permission for using any public park, comma, green belt or green area as a parking place, full stop, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 3 and subsection 4, comma, the authority may grant permission for using a public park for provision of food, comma, playing facilities, comma, sale of plants, comma, horticulture equipment or books or such other purpose on payment of fees if the said permission does not adversely affect the general outlook of the public park, full stop. Where the authority gives permission for use of a public park, comma, green belt or green area, comma, it shall issue a permission order including the duration and nature of the permission, and the order shall be duly displayed at a prominent place of the public park, comma, green belt or green area, full stop. Paragraph. Where a green belt or green area lies between a property and a service lane or public road, comma, the owner of the property may, comma, subject to the permission by the authority, comma, use the green belt or green area for assessing his property in a reasonable manner, but the permission shall be restricted to the extent of acquiring access and shall in no manner be deemed to allow the use of any part of the green belt for any other purpose or the use of the entire green belt or green area abutting the property for purposes of access, full stop, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, comma, a person shall not, comma, in any manner, comma, use or change the nature of any green belt for the purpose of acquiring access to a service lane from the main road. Full stop. If any person intends to install a billboard, comma, sky sign or outdoor advertisement in any manner on private or public property or public park, comma, green belt or green area, comma, he shall make an application in the prescribed manner to the authority, full stop. If the billboard, comma, sky sign or outdoor advertisement affects the rights of the neighbors or residents of the area in general or road users, comma, the authority shall invite objections from them and decide the objections before taking a decision, full stop. The authority shall not grant permission if the installation of the billboard, comma, sky sign or outdoor advertisement affects the rights of the road users to safe and secure usage or view of the residents or provision of light and air, comma, or the review or sanctity of a historical monument, full stop.